Have you ever heard about drinking okra water on an empty stomach? It might sound unusual, but this simple natural drink could change your health forever. Okra, also known as lady's finger, is a green vegetable widely used in cooking, but very few people realize the power it holds when soaked in water overnight and consumed first thing in the morning. In today's video, we're diving deep into the benefits of okra water, how it can help you lose weight, control your blood sugar, and heal your gut naturally, all without taking a single pill. Let's begin with blood sugar control. Okra contains a type of soluble fiber called mucilage, which becomes gel-like when soaked in water. When consumed on an empty stomach, this fiber slows down the absorption of sugar in the intestines, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. For people struggling with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes, this can be an incredible natural aid. Several studies have shown that okra can reduce post-meal glucose spikes and improve insulin sensitivity over time. It's not a replacement for medical treatment, but it can be a powerful complementary habit. Now, let's talk about weight loss. One of the biggest problems with modern diets is poor digestion and overeating. Okra water helps solve both. First, it creates a feeling of fullness, so you naturally eat less throughout the day. Second, it improves your metabolism and supports fat burning by keeping your digestive system clean and healthy. The fiber and antioxidants in okra work together to reduce inflammation in the gut, balance gut bacteria, and remove waste more efficiently. If you're trying to reduce belly fat or overcome bloating, drinking okra water in the morning could be one of the best habits to adopt. Gut health is another major benefit. In the United States, many people suffer from leaky gut syndrome, IBS, constipation, and general digestive discomfort. Okra is rich in prebiotics, compounds that feed the good bacteria in your gut. This helps improve digestion, immune function, and even mental clarity. When your gut is happy, your whole body functions better. Okra water also has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm the intestines, which can be helpful for people suffering from ulcers or acid reflux. It's gentle on the stomach and supports healing over time. But okra doesn't just stop there. It's also packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like magnesium and potassium. These nutrients help strengthen your immune system, lower blood pressure, and support healthy skin and bones. Drinking okra water regularly can make your body more alkaline, reduce oxidative stress, and promote overall wellness. Many people report improved energy, better sleep, and even clearer skin after just a few weeks of regular use. Now, how do you prepare it? It's simple. Take 2 or 3 medium-sized fresh okra pods, wash them thoroughly, and cut off the ends. Then slice them down the middle and put them in a glass of room-temperature water. Let it soak overnight, around 8 to 10 hours. In the morning, remove the okra and drink the water on an empty stomach. That's it. Don't add sugar or lemon, keep it natural. For best results, do this consistently for at least 2 to 3 weeks. You'll start to notice changes in your digestion, appetite, and energy levels. Of course, like any natural remedy, okra water works best when combined with healthy habits. Try to eat clean, walk daily, and get enough sleep. Okra water is not a magic bullet, but it's a powerful step in the right direction. And the best part? It's safe, cheap, and has no side effects for most people. If you're allergic to okra or have kidney stones, check with your doctor first. But for most people, this is a gentle, effective way to support better health. So if you're looking for a natural way to manage diabetes, lose weight, improve your gut, and feel more energized, okra water could be the simple daily habit you've been waiting for. Why rely only on pills when nature already offers us so many powerful tools? Start tomorrow morning and give your body the care it truly deserves. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with someone you love, and don't forget to subscribe to Inner Vitality for more science-backed natural health tips. We're here to support your journey to a healthier, stronger life, one habit at a time.